You probably have been seeing people tapping on their phone lately, and you might be asking yourself, what's really going on? Well, there's a new token going to be launched soon, and people are going to make thousands of dollars, and this token is called TAPSWAP. So if you're like me who missed out on the Notcoin, this is a big chance for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can partake in the TAPSWAP. So if you are new here, make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick that you can use to make multiples of the TAPSWAP. My name is Chidi, and let's get into the video. Okay, so you guys are fully aware that I'm not really into this crypto stuff, okay, but in this TAPSWAP, I really want to join and see what it brings. Okay, so if you really want to know, to just stay tuned this video. Okay, so first of all, you have to download some app into our phone. So if you don't have it, just jump into your app store and searching for this app firstly. Okay, so searching for Telegram. Okay, so you have to search for Telegram app. Okay, so search it in your app store or play store and make sure you download it. So I have it on my phone. Okay, it is very, very simple. I'm going to leave a link in my video description. Check it out and tap on it. So okay, so this is the link. Just click on the link simply. If you click on the link in my video description, they're going to take you to this page. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on the send message over here. Okay, so click on this gently. They're going to take you to your Telegram straight for it. Okay, so this is what happened. So all you need to do is to click on the start button over here gently, and they're going to take you to start everything fresh. Okay, so this is my account right here. I'll just open my account to show you how and how it's done. Okay, so all you need to do is just clicking on it, and they are going to give you points over here, as you can see it. But if you are using an iPhone, you need to wait to the end of this video. Okay, so I'm going to take you step by step on all the tools over here, so how you can use them over here. Okay, so it's very, very simple. So as I said, if you're an iPhone user, stay tuned to this video because I have a surprise for you. Okay, so stay tuned to this video. Join my WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. The links are in my video description, so join them too as well. Okay, so first of all, you can refer to your friends to get points over here to the coin. You can refer to your friends and get the coins too over here. Okay, so it's very, very simple. The first two over here, just click on it. Okay, the ref over here, you're going to see the number of people you have referred. Okay, if you just click on your the copy button over here and just send it to your friends for them to join to Charlie, you're going to get some coins too over here. It's very, very simple. So you can see my referrals over here. People are earning over here. If you click on it, you're going to see people are earning over here. And okay, so there are some tasks you have to do to get some of the points too as well. So I really love this TAPSWAP. I'm waiting for them to bring it out so that we can exchange our coins to get money on the internet. Okay, so if you click on tax over here, the second tax over here, you're going to say join our socials for the 200,000 points they are giving. So if you click on it gently, you're going to see what your tax are. Okay, so they are going to say join the Telegram chat. Okay, so I've joined the Telegram chat, and I'll just click on check in, follow their X handle, just click on it and follow, visit their website. It's very, very simple. So you can see my mission is completed. And also I want to break it to you guys. I have a second account, so I'll just click on it gently. I'll just jump into my second account here. This is my second account. I have backup for everything, so this is my second account. Okay, by tapping it. So second account, if you click on tax over here, you can see it's also done. Right, it's also done. So all I have to do is click on the referrals over here. You can see I have no referrals over here, and it's really, really boring. Okay, so I want to click on the tax again for you guys to see something. So I'm on the special. Okay, so the mission is completed. So I'm checking on the leaks. If you click on the leaks, you can see I can receive 5,000 coins over here for the silver because I freed the silver level. Okay, so I'll click on claim, and I'm going to receive the 5,000 from here. Okay, you can see you have platinum and everything, Charlie. So you just have to be tapping on your screen for a long time, Charlie, before our tax is over here. If you invite a friend, you're going to get 2,500 coins over here. If you invite 3 friends, Charlie, so you have to invite or refer more friends to this platform as well, Charlie. Do well. This one, there's no investment. You just have to tap your phone. Just keep on tapping your phone, and whenever this thing is launched, Charlie, you're going to get millions of dollars. So I have my second account over here. I'll just be tapping over it. So this is the secret that I'm talking about. I don't know about you, the 100 users, so just stay tuned. Maybe I can show you guys something. So if you click on custom over here, you can see I have tap over here. I'll just click on it, and I'll just be clicking on it. You can see so This is what like Android users cannot do. Android users need to get an app for this. So if you're an iPhone user, I'm going to show you how I did this, okay? So stay tuned to this video, subscribe to this channel too as well, okay? I'll leave my WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. If your own is not working, just jump into my WhatsApp channel or Telegram channel and ask me any question, and I'm going to reply you as well. Okay, so if you're using an iPhone, this is what you have to do, okay? Just jump into your settings, okay, and scroll down so you see accessibilities. Just click on accessibility and you select touch over here, okay? If you select on touch, select accessive touch, okay? If you select an accessive touch, you're going to see these options over here, okay? So you can see I have tap over here, okay, instead of TAPSWAP. So I'm going to create a new gesture, okay? If you click on new gesture over here and you just tap here, I'll just tap here, 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 tap here. And I think it done. So I'll just click on save, and I'm going to save it with TAPSWAP. Okay, so there's TAPSWAP. Okay, now click on save. Okay, if you click on save, this is what the magic does. Okay, so you go to your Telegram account, you just click on the accessive touch, you click on costume. Okay, you're going to see the TAPSWAP we did over here. So I'll just click on it. You can see very cool. So if you're an iPhone user, this one is for you, Charlie. Android users, you're on unless you guys use an app. Okay, so I'll work on that one for you guys, Charlie. So my name is Cryptonews, and keep on tapping till this thing is out. Bless up, and thank you for watching this video. Peace out.